Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp templates to save you time and streamline your workflow. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the Template Center. You'll find this by clicking on the Spaces tab on the left-hand side. The Template Center contains a vast array of pre-made templates for all sorts of projects, tasks, and workflows. This is your starting point because using pre-existing templates can save you the time and hassle of creating a workflow from scratch. Now that we're in the Template Center, it's time to choose a template that suits your needs. Scroll through the options, and when you find one you like, click on it and hit the Use Template button. The reason we do this is that every template is designed with a specific purpose in mind, whether it's planning a marketing campaign, tracking software bugs, or managing an editorial calendar. Choose a template that closely matches your intended use to get the most benefit. Once you've chosen a template, it's now time to customize it. Click on the Customize Template button. This step is important because every team and project is unique, and customizing your template allows you to tailor it to your specific needs. You can add or remove tasks, change the status options, or even add custom fields. This flexibility is one of the main reasons why ClickUp templates are so powerful. Finally, apply your customized template to a new or existing project. Simply go to the appropriate space, folder, or list, click the Tep button, and then select Apply Template. This helps us because it allows us to instantly set up a new project or streamline an existing one with just a few clicks. And that's it. By using ClickUp templates, you've now streamlined your workflow, saved time, and ensured consistency across your projects. Remember, templates are there to make your life easier, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the ones that work best for you. Until next time, keep making the most of ClickUp.